I didn't even expect it, but some of them saw a visible difference within 5 days. Acne is a very sensitive issue, especially with young people, and I feel that to have a product that they know can actually work is very important.
We have found that it's not irritating whatsoever. Even though it's cleansing, it's killing all the bacteria in the pores, and within a day or two, the blemish disappears.
I started using it on a Thursday night. My forehead was really bumpy and I had tons of blackheads on my chin and my cheeks, and by Tuesday my skin was like completely clear.
Awesome. Have you tried other products and not had as successful results?
Yeah, I've tried other products containing salicylic acid and nothing helped at all, and this product is a miracle.